The Northface Gym Beanie. Once you get one of those, you'll never want to go ahead and take this off your head. And another thing about this, once you buy one of those, you will want to get a few of them because the design is just legendary. So the first thing about this is the logo, which is Northface over here, which doesn't actually scream in your face. That says Northface in here. It is kind of built and camouflaged right into the hat itself. Talking about camouflage, there is the green in this specific green edition, and it is light green and dark green. So altogether it gives it a very unique flavor and look. The next thing about this is the headband over here. You can see how it looks like, but it is just going all around in a very strategic location over here. So not only it works and makes it a little bit tighter, especially if you live in the Northeast, you need a little bit of tightness when you're going to be putting this on. Because when you don't have tightness, it's much easier for you to get cold when there is a lot of air that's blowing against you, such as in winter sport activities or just going out. Well, it is a little bit on the colder side. Another thing about this is that this actually fits well and it feels so good on your hat. You put this on you and you're like, wow, amazing. I can't believe that I have this awesome hat on. Not only it looks great, it also feels good. And to top it off, it is also stylish as well. So what are you waiting for? Get this hat today and you won't regret it. This is definitely one of the better purchases I have had from Northface. There's a bunch of beanies out there, but the Gym Beanie is one of the best ones I ever had. So go ahead, put this on and enjoy it, because you never actually had a quality beanie until you tried the Gym Beanie.